Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain Alaska Airlines check-in. To begin, understand that check-in typically opens 24 hours before your scheduled departure time. You have several convenient options to complete this process, including online, through the mobile app, or directly at the airport. Regardless of your chosen method, ensure you have your confirmation code, e-ticket number, or mileage plan number readily available to access your reservation smoothly. This preparation helps ensure a hassle-free start to your journey. For the most convenient experience, utilize Alaska Airlines online or mobile app check-in. This option is available starting 24 hours before your flight and closes 60 minutes prior to domestic departures. Simply enter your booking details to confirm your presence. During this process, you can easily select or change your seat if available, and even pay for any checked baggage fees, which are typically $35 for the first bag and $45 for the second, up to 50 pounds and 62 linear inches. If you prefer checking in at the airport, Alaska Airlines offers self-service kiosks at most locations. These kiosks allow you to quickly print your boarding pass or send it to your mobile device. For those needing extra assistance, or if you have special requests like traveling with a pet, the ticket counter staff are ready to help. Remember to arrive at least 40 minutes before domestic flights and 60 minutes for international flights to complete your check-in and baggage drop. To ensure a smooth journey, always have your valid government-issued identification and boarding pass readily accessible for security screening. Be mindful of baggage rules. Standard checked bags should not exceed 50 pounds or 62 linear inches to avoid additional fees. For example, overweight bags between 51 and 100 pounds incur a $100 charge. Also, remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to make your travel even more enjoyable. Arriving at the gate 30 minutes before domestic boarding is also a good practice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.